Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to create our first React app. So to create our first React app, at first we'll need to have a Node installed in our device. So we can easily install Node. So let's just go to Node installer, and then you click on the first link that pops up there, and to get the latest version you can click on home, and then there are two versions available. So I normally prefer getting the latest versions, but you can download any of these two and that will perfectly be fine for React. I have installed the 20.3.0 version in my device. So once you install that, you will need to go to the folder where you want to create your React app. I will go inside this new folder, and then to install React app you will not need any code editor. So you can simply go to the folder where you want to create your React app, and then right click and open in terminal. Yeah, it might take a few seconds to load the terminal. Yeah, so once the terminal is here, simply you will need to type npx create React app, and the name of the app that you want to create. So for now I'll simply write first app. So this is the command that you'll need to write in the command prompt, and then you hit enter, and then it will do some configs for around like a minute. So it might take depending on your device, it might take around 1.5 minutes. So we'll let this one load. Yeah, so if you don't have your Node version installed, you might get error because npx command, it only runs with the Node being installed. So if you get an error, you might need to check your Node version. Yeah, so when this one's loading, I'll quickly show you how to check your Node version in your device. So simply open command prompt in your device, and then you just write node space dash p, and this will give you the latest Node version that you have installed in your device. Close that for now. Yeah, we'll wait for this to load. Yeah, I might just skip this part for now in my video because it's taking too long. So you guys have to wait for, as I said before, for around 1 to 2 minutes. So I'll skip this one until it finishes now. Yeah, just like this, your first React app is now created. Now what you can do is close this terminal and open your code editor. So for this I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor that you like, and then you simply uh, have to open a folder, first app, and select that folder. You can see mine one's already loaded here. So if yours one is not loaded here, so what you can do is I'll close this one, open a new window. So for you, this window might appear. So close that, go to File, and new open folder, and then go to the folder that you just created. So mine's just over here, and first app, and select the folder. So you're all set with your first React app. In order to load this app, what you will need to do is go inside source and app.js. This is your React app. Open an integrated terminal, and we'll need to write one command here to load our React app, that is easy command just npm start, and we'll let this app start. Yeah, once this one starts, it will pop up a new window, sorry, new tab in the browser with the app that you just created. This is our first React app. So let's make some changes over here in this app. So we'll remove all the header over here and just have a new div which says this is my first React app, and save it. Once you save it, open your browser again, and here you can see the changes are already visible here. So we can add another div or a button, a button, welcome, save it, and just like that, you have a button. So it's the code or command that we use are pretty similar to HTML. These are the basics, but there are a few other things to learn in React, which is uh, quite complex compared to HTML. But yeah, uh, you, this is the first step of creating a React app. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this video, and hope you guys were able to create your first React app without any issues. If you have any issues, do let me know in the comment section, and I will try and help you resolve those issues. Thank you for now.